Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Tariq and today I am going to teach you Urdu language. Lesson 1. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? Let me tell you, this is the first question. Whenever you meet someone, you ask this question, what is your name? आप का नाम क्या है? आप का नाम क्या है? So can you repeat after me slowly? What is your name in Urdu? How can we pronounce आप का नाम क्या है? आप का नाम क्या है? So can you repeat this? I cannot hear you. Okay, so let me try again. आप का नाम क्या है? Let me try again. It's really simple, but you when you are learning something and when you hear something new, so you get stuck. So don't worry about pronunciation. So repeat after me. आप का नाम क्या है? So this is formal language. Let me tell you, you can use this sentence anywhere. Nobody, no one object on it. कोई भी आप एतराज़ नहीं करेगा इस सेंटेंस पे because it is formal. You can use in front of elders, you can use in front of youngers, you can use in front of anyone. आपका नाम क्या है? Do you know, we can also say like this, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? But it less formal. It less formal mean it's informal, but not slang. It is not slang. It's तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? It's less formal. You can use in front of elder as well as no. You can use in front of your friends, youngers, but you cannot use in front of elders. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? So when you speak in front of elders, you can say आपका नाम क्या है? And when you see younger, you can say तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? But use only one, this one. This is the important. Just I'm telling you also informal when you hear, so you will not confuse, you will not get confused if you hear also this one. So that's the reason I'm telling you each and every sentence how can we ask a name. So आपका नाम क्या है? And the second one, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Okay? Third one, this is slang. Okay? The last is slang. It's also mean what is your name? Slang, do you know what is slang? It's abuse language. You can say if you speak in front of anyone, so they will not like you because they think you are from the bad you are from bad क्या बोलते उसको? Let me tell you. I don't know, but it's really bad. Whenever I heard you, I just many people think you are not a good person if you use this sentence. But it's also mean what is your name. So तेरा नाम क्या है? टू तड़ाक, इसको कहते हैं टू तड़ाक लैंग्वेज. टू तड़ाक, it's Urdu language, but it's slang. it's slang. तेरा नाम क्या है? So don't use this, okay? Don't use in front of elders, but you can use in front of friends. तेरा नाम क्या है? Because many Pakistanis friends use this sentence in front of friends. So अक्सर लोग ये दोस्तों के सामने बोलते हैं. So तेरा नाम क्या है? Don't use this, okay? So what is your name? You have to learn only one. You don't need to learn this one and this one. You don't need to learn this and you don't need to learn this. You just have to know these are also known as what is your name, okay? So आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Okay, let me try again. Repeat after me. आप आप let me आप A double P आप का K-A का नाम N double A-M नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Hope you learn this question. So let us start the answer. My name is Tariq. My name is Tariq. मेरा नाम तारिक है. So there is no slang and two-track language in this, okay? So my name is Tariq. How can we say in Urdu? मेरा क्या? मेरा नाम तारिक. Don't say Tariq. Instead of Tariq, you say your name. So मेरा नाम राशिद है, मेरा नाम जॉन है, मेरा नाम टॉम है, मेरा नाम just like this, मेरा नाम John Cena है. So just like this, you can use your name here. मेरा नाम बोले, tell. मेरा नाम तारिक है. मेरा नाम तारिक है. So, but also let me tell you one thing. One is very important in Urdu and English. There is different question for girls and different question for boys, but these are same for boys and girls. If you are a girl, you can use it. If you are a boy, you can use it. So don't worry about girls and boys, because in Urdu there are different saying for boys and different saying for girls. So मेरा नाम तारिक है. So मेरा मेरा नाम मेरा नाम. अब एक साथ बोले, मेरा नाम. मेरा नाम मेरा नाम तारिक है. Because it's for foreigner only, okay? Because if you are a Urdu speaker, you will not love it, okay? Okay, if you don't want to say मेरा नाम तारिक है, if you don't like to say this मेरा नाम तारिक है, if you are confused, if you are not good at speaking in Urdu, and you are still confused, how can we pronounce मेरा नाम तारिक है? So you can say just your name, just like this, Tariq. If I say, what is your name? What is your answer? Tariq, just tell your name. Don't say anything. Don't say phrases. Don't say my name is. Just say Tariq. So in Urdu, you can also say this, Tariq. Okay? So, but you have to use in Roman language or English language, it is okay. When you write Tariq, it is acceptable in Urdu also. So, मेरा नाम तारिक है. So, अब ये सवाल आपने 10 लोगों से पूछना है. You have to ask this question for 10 friends. Ask this question to your friends. Minimum 10 friends ask this question. आपका नाम क्या है? So then see what they answer. आपका नाम क्या है, and ask this question to your friend, to your Urdu friends, okay, not English one, because if you speak in front of British or American, they will say, what are you saying, we don't understand. So just speak in front of the Urdu speaker कि तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. So if they ask you what is your name या तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, you can say my name is Tariq. Don't say in English, you have to say in Urdu. मेरा नाम तारिक है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. You have to say 10 times just like me. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. आपका 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 नाम क्या है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. You have to say in front of the mirror. If you don't have any friends, so you have to speak in front of the mirror. अगर आपके पास कोई दोस्त नहीं है, so आप मिरर के सामने यानी शीशे के सामने बोलें. So you will improve your Urdu just like this. So this is my first lesson. You have to, here is golden words. If you talk to a man in a language, if agar you tum, if agar you tum talk to a man, बात करते हो एक बंदे से in a language, ज़बान में, he understand, वो समझता है, that goes to his head, वो उसके दिमाग में जाके लगती है. If you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart. अगर तुम बात करते हो उसको उसकी अपनी ज़बान में, तो वो उसके दिल पे जाके लगती है. So this is I'm not teaching golden words in Urdu, so it's just for learn something every day. So you have to learn something new every day. If you talk to a man in a language, he understand, he goes to his head. अगर तुम किसी से उसकी ज़बान में बात करते हो या सुनते हो या समझते हो, तो वो दिमाग पे लगती है, यार देखो यार हमारी ज़बान. मगर अगर तुम किसी से उसकी ज़बान में बात करते हो, if you talk to him in his own language, that goes to his heart, तो वो उसके दिल को जाके लगती है. So हमारा लेसन क्या था, what we learned today, can you repeat, can you tell me what I have taught you today, क्या मैंने पढ़ाया. So do you remember, what is your name, how can you say in Urdu, what is your name, how can you say in Urdu. Can you write it A double P, आप, K A का, आपका, N double A M, नाम, आपका नाम, K I Y A, क्या, H A I है, आपका नाम क्या है. Then how can we say in English? You can look at the screen and you will say मेरा, MEAR, oh sorry, MERA, मेरा, sorry for misspelling. Okay, MERA, मेरा, NAAM, नाम. You have to say your name here. Don't say Tariq. My name, मेरा नाम तारिक है. Don't say to other मेरा नाम तारिक है, because if you use my name, so you will not telling your name, okay? So don't do this. So मेरा नाम क्या है, मेरा नाम तारिक है. So tomorrow or day after tomorrow, every week I will teach you 2 or 3 Urdu phrases, Urdu sentence you can use everywhere. This is the most important sentence you can use in front of anyone. Whether you need or not, you have to ask this 10 times. You have to ask 10 times to your friends. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, आपका नाम क्या है, आपका नाम क्या है, आपका नाम क्या है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है. Don't say तेरा नाम क्या है. Don't say this, okay, because it's slang. मेरा नाम तारिक है. So I hope you understand and you learn this lesson. So see you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Every week I upload 2 videos for learning Urdu. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah bless you and may Allah give you knowledge and give you everything. May Allah bless us and you. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.